Today, we're at Universal Studios Hollywood, and I'm taking you along for one of my favorite attractions, the world-famous studio tour. Let's head inside and see some movie magic up close. Our first stop takes us past some of the classic backlot houses, each one used in different TV shows over the years. Next up, we dive into some action, the Jurassic World section. After an epic battle, we roll into the subway. Things start to calm down, but then there's a rumbling, fire, and a massive flood rushing straight towards us.
Folks, hold on tight. That sounds like a little bit more than a tremor.
I don't think you need a glasses. And we couldn't miss Jaws. The water looked so calm until, of course, the shark. Next, we passed through a Mexican village set. And just when you think it's peaceful, another huge flood crashes through the streets. Universal really loves its water effects. We end our tour on one of the most impressive sets, the airplane crash from War of the Worlds.